Acting President Hwang Kyo-ahn immediately took measures following the court's decision. He held a series of meetings before and after the announcement and just addressed the nation. Our Song Ji-sun joins us. Ji-sun, do fill us in on the reaction from the top office.
Right, Daniel, the Prime Minister had a very busy day. He just addressed the nation at 5 p.m. after chairing an emergency cabinet meeting followed by a National Security Council meeting. He apologized to the nation, saying that he feels a grave responsibility for this unprecedented situation, and he asked the nation to respect and accept the court's decision to expel the president. Take a listen.
오늘 헌법재판소의 결정은 헌법과 법률에 따라 내려진 것입니다. 대한민국은 법치주의를 근간으로 하는 자유민주 국가입니다. 우리 모두가 헌법재판소의 결정을 존중해야 하겠습니다. 지금도 도저히 납득할 수 없고 승복하기 어렵다는 분들도 계실 것입니다. 그러나 이제는 수용하고 지금까지의 갈등과 대립을 마무리해야 할 때입니다.
Now his remarks come as the court's decision marks an end to months of protests, with millions gathering every weekend in support of and against the impeachment of President Park Geun-hye. He called for national unity and called on the political parties to communicate, to reach agreement with each other, and to resolve outstanding issues at the National Assembly and not out in the plaza through demonstrations. Hwang vowed to stabilize state affairs with the utmost urgency in mind, given the nation's serious security and economic conditions. Daniel?
Well, Park Geun-hye now has officially been removed from the office. All eyes are on her next move and how state affairs will be handled from this point on, Ji-sun. But we hear that she will not be stepping out from the top office today.
Right, in fact, she's spending her last night here at the presidential compound. Hours after the announcement, the presidential office of Cheongwade said that she'll be not returning immediately to her private house, which is located in Samseong-dong in southern Seoul, and there is no official statement or message from Park. Now, the Presidential Security Service have yet to complete preparations for her life outside of the top office, like setting up an office near her house, checking up on its security conditions, in addition to refurbishing the house that has been unused for the past 4 years. Now, because she's being expelled from the top office, once she steps out of the door, she'll only be provided with the most minimal support, like minimal security and protection. And since she's no longer immune from prosecution, she'll have to prepare for the prosecution's investigation into charges against her in the scandal that ended her career and her term short. Daniel.
Right. Thank you for that report today, Ji-sun.